This is what most beginner Revit floor plan looks like, empty and unrealistic. But in the next few minutes, I will show you how to turn this into this. Step by step, no confusion, even if you are just starting out. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to furnish any floor plan like this. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Step 1. Load furniture families. First, let's bring in the furniture. Click on Components, Load Family. Navigate to Furniture folder. Let's start with the bed. Select it, open. Press the spacebar on your keyboard to change the orientation. Alright, we are going to place this here. Press Escape. Over here we have a couch. Click on Components, Load Family. Alright, we are going to use this. Select it, open. Press the spacebar to change the orientation. Now let's place the television. Click on Components, Load Family. Let's use this. Open it. Press the spacebar. You have the television here. You can select it to change the dimensions. Select it, Edit Type. You can increase the width. Okay, we are done with the bedroom. If you missed how to create this floor plan, I will leave the link in the description section for you to check it out, or you can check the channel so you can follow along. Now we will have this same television over here, so we are not going to waste time. Select it, right click, create similar. Let's have it here. Now let's place the sofa here. We are going to have sofa over here and here. Click on Components, Load Family. Let's use this couch. Select it, open it, press the spacebar. Let's place it here. Then the second one, spacebar. We place it here. We can as well place the same couch here. Select this, right click, create similar. Let's have it here. Over here we have the center table. We'll still use the same process. Select it, load family. Let's use this. Select it, place it here. Now we are done with the living room. For the dining, we don't have much. We are going to place the dining set right here. Click on Components, Load Family. Let's use this. Select it, open. Now it's remaining the bedroom and the kitchen. If you're wondering how to have these detailed graphics on the wall, I've got you covered. You can check out this video, so you'll be giving your drawings this professional look. Now let's head over to the kitchen. If there is anything you do not understand, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Now use the line. Let's pick a point from here. You have 600. Okay, fine. Let's create another line here. 600 too. We are going to start with the sink. Let's place the sink here. Select Components, Load Family. We are going to use this sink right here. Select it, open it. Now place it here. Over here we'll have the burner. Fine, let's use the gas hob. Select it, open. Press the space bar to change the orientation. Alright, let's place it here. So we have the refrigerator here. Fine, let's use this refrigerator. Open it. Let's place it here. We are done with the kitchen now. Now over to the bedroom. You will just have a shower tray, a WC, and a sink. Let's load in. Let's use this sink. Open it. Let's place it here. Let's load the shower tray. We are going to use this one. the corner tray, open it, press the space bar, you have it here. The last thing we have here is the WC. Let's use this, open it. Alright, let's place it here. You can download this component in revitcity.com. There are some other websites to download, a lot of them for free. In subsequent video, I will list the websites. Step 2. Adjust, rotate and align. Things don't have to be perfect the first time. You can use the move tool and adjust this to the middle. Let's adjust this also. You can align where necessary or rotate some of them to fit in. Note that clean layouts equals to professional results. Step 3. Make it look clean and realistic. Use consistent spacing. Don't overcrowd. Keep balance in each room. Less is more. A clean layout always looks better than a crowded one. Just keep everything simple. Step 4. Apply floor material. This is a critical step. We have two methods of applying these floor materials. The first one is using the floor. The second one is using the region. I'll show you how to use both of them so you can pick the one that is best for you. Let's start with the floor. Select the floor. Use the pick line and pick round the plan. Edit floor type. Click on Edit, Category. Now Graphics Properties. Under Pattern, let's use this. Now the color, let's use gray. Click OK. Finish it. Now you've seen it. It's easy, right? If you want to separate the colors, you need to split the face. You need to use the split face. Select the floor. Separate the room. Okay, right here you can apply a new material. Fine, let's quickly create new material. Let's use the floor. Edit type, duplicate. Now let's duplicate this. Here we are going to change the color. Click OK. Okay. Let's draw something here. Finish it. Click on this paint. Let's use this. Apply the material to this room. Okay. You see it. So you repeat the same process for the whole room. But all you need to do is to create an independent color. You can use the floor, create a new material, then delete it. So you have them in this project materials. If you want to add a rock to this place, you can simply use region. Click on region. Offset. Let's use 300. Now duplicate it. Change the color. Finish it. As simple as that. In cases like this is a glass table. You can see through the glass table, but the seats, you cannot see through it. So you can use the split face, select the floor, use the pick line. You finish this one first. Let's use this. As simple as that. You repeat the same process for everything. Let's check out the second method. Click on Annotate, Region, Edit Type. Now let's adjust the pattern. Select this. Let's use the cross hash. Click OK. Now the foreground pattern color. We are going to use gray. Click OK. Now use the pick line. Let's pick from here. Use the trim tool and trim it. Finish it. Now select it. Edit type. Uncheck masking. Click it. Alright, it's better now. Sorry if you are not acquainted with this tool we are using. You can check out the introduction video of how to use the essential basic tools in Revit. It will help a lot. Now over here, we are going to use the same method. Click on region, edit type, duplicate. The foreground color, let's have something like this. If it's not okay, we can edit it later. Click OK. Click OK. Now use the pick lines. Pick this line. Use the trim tool and trim it. You can turn off the thin line. Trim it. Now we need to mark out the fixtures. If not, the floor surface will cover everything, just like this. So let's mark it out. Let's do this also. For this particular one, you can mark out one of them, then make a copy of it, move it over here. Let's rotate it. Then move it to fit in. Then use the mirror tool and mirror over here. Then mirror this over here. Okay. Now let's trim it. Trim this to this. Split it. Trim this to this. And this to this. Trim this to this. Same thing here. Finish it. Now let's adjust the color. Let's use the gray. Click OK. Fine, let's quickly adjust the color of the entrance. Select it, edit boundary. Let's have the same thing here. Finish it. Over here we have a rock. Click on region, edit type, duplicate it. Okay. For the rock, we'll use a solid color. Use solid fill. Then let's change the color. Click OK. Pick the table. Let's use the offset tool and offset 450. Click OK. We can extend this floor material to this lobby. Now for the kitchen, we have a different pattern. Click on region, edit type, duplicate. Let's use this diagonal crosshatch. The color, edit it. Let's adjust this. Click OK. Now use the pick line and pick it. Finish it. Alright. Finish it. And just like that, you've transformed an empty floor plan into a fully furnished one. If this video helped you, drop a comment and tell me which room was easiest for you to furnish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.